Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will make one of the best white rum-based classic cocktails for you. The classic Daiquiri. I will start by chilling the glass. Put a few ice cubes into the glass. You will be surprised to know that Daiquiri was invented in Cuba by Jennings Cox in the 1900s. And pour little water. Okay. Now stir gently for a few times. This way you can easily chill the glass. This will help to maintain the temperature of the cocktail. Now I will pour 45 milliliters of white rum. (30 milliliters of fresh lemon juice). And 30 milliliters of sugar syrup. I am using the shake and strain method to make this cocktail. So I will put a few ice cubes into the mixing glass. And gently shake for a few times. Okay. The glass has been chilled enough. So I will throw ice and water from the glass. And pour the mixture straight up into the glass. You can easily do this by using a cocktail stainer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now I will garnish this classic Daiquiri cocktail with a fresh lemon slice. Classic Daiquiri cocktail is ready. Cheers for your good health and beautiful life. Enjoy. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with an exciting recipe like this.